that saving. So tea plantation is also one of the things which we are doing right.
When we talk about poor, we always feel that okay, they have needs and we don't believe that okay, they have aspirations. So now you are trying to sell product which is actually the competition was there's a free product and you're selling product maybe say 1,000 rupees or so. So how it plays actually needs and aspirations?
So if you look at any of the products which is going into the rural market, let's talk about pressure cookers. I mean, maybe our grandfathers and grandmothers or whatever, during those particular time, we always used to open vessel cooking. We have never thought about in terms of बंद कर दिया. We need to see वो कैसा पक रहा है, color कैसे change हो रहा है, and we need to add some particular things to it. So we have never used to that pressurized cooking. So if you look at the pressure cooker per se, it took about 15 years to sell the first 1 million pressure cookers. So it is a habit change. Even cook stoves is a habit change. Now when you need to go to the people, we made a wrong decision of approaching the bottom of the pyramid. You need to go from top to down. Everyone has an aspiration. He has an aspiration, I have an aspiration, you have an aspiration. I might aspire for maybe helicopter or Merc or something like that. So the beggar on the street might aspire for a meal for the day, 3 meals for the day, एक अच्छा मकान होना चाहिए, maybe some kind of an entertainment or whatever. So everyone has an aspiration. So if you treat the poor as too poor, and say as a giveaway, it will never happen. So you need to create the aspiration. So what we went through was that there are 4 classifications in terms of socio-economic and your incomes in the rural sector. You have R1, R2, R3, R4 based on the household income. R4 is your bottom of the pyramid, absolute bottom of the pyramid, BPL. Now that I cannot cater to because uska income ही नहीं है to purchase this particular product. And I have to give if I have to create an industry, I cannot give a cheap product to this particular community. I need to create a very good sturdy product. So that was an absolute mission of Enviropet. We wanted to give a quality product. So we went through R1, R2 and R3 and R4. We have still not reached R3 or R4. We are still at R1 and R2. The interesting part is R1, R2, though being rich families, rich farmers, they have 5 different methods of cooking. They have gas, they have biogas, they have kerosene, they have electricity, but the bulk of the cooking is done on traditional fire. They have lot of crop residue or they buy wood to do the bulk of the cooking. उसका चावल उस पे बनता है, सब्जी उस पे बनता है, everything is cooked on that. Gas is used only when a relative arrives, a friend arrives for tea, snacks or something which is done in a jiffy. So they use traditional cook stoves. They buy wood. For them, when they are buying wood, and if you make a saving, it is easily a turn on it. They immediately get cut. Even MFIs reach R1, R2 and some part of R3. So it's an easier sell. So once they made a dent in these particular people and they are using, you look at the bottom is looking, R1, R2 is using these particular cook stoves. I also need to have this particular cook stove. So you need to go through that because if you go to R4, I went to R4 के पास गया when he said that okay, what is the stove price? I had subsidized the product. The product was costing me 1,000 rupees. I gave it to them at 500 rupees subsidy, 500 to offering to the R4. So R4 says that हम 10 लोग हैं, आप कितने में दोगे? So I said I need to make a dent. So let's say I said मैं 300 में दे दूँगा. Then after a couple of days they said come back saying that पूरा गांव खरीदेगा, आप कितनों में दोगे? 100 लोग हैं या 200 लोग हैं, कितने में दोगे? बोले यार 200 में दूंगा. Then he went again, बाजू वाला गांव भी लेगा तो कितने में दोगे? So this goes on. It is like for example, आप अगर फ्री में दोगे तो 2 देगा कि आप एक मेरे को चाहिए और एक मेरे रिलेटिव के लिए चाहिए. So this will never end. Discounting will never end. So we said let's put a stop to that. Now, that same product which I had offered for 500 rupees is being sold at 1200 rupees. Same product, I have not changed any bit. So it's basically the psych and how do you target your customer. And that's how we have attained this particular thing.
Let's actually think about it because you understand this rural market much better. See, for example, take example of mobile. Now, in social sector, a lot of NGOs, they're trying hard to encourage people to go to school, education, literacy. There's so many things they give it for free, isn't it? And still people are not responding. Look at mobile. So where I think if you go to any remote village where there's no water, there's no electricity or possibly healthcare and so on, but actually people use mobile and they pay for it, isn't it? So what do you think? I think why, how, one is, what is actually psyche of customer and possibly what do you think how these mobile companies would have approached this particular market? Because same mobile, same service is actually leveraged by maybe Ambani's and maybe somebody who is in the remote village. So how you see this?
No, but as I was doing this particular entire marketing and selling of products in Videocon, I see there is a huge amount of problem in the rural sector. I see there is lot of scope. I think the market is there, market is not here. You and I will not buy these particular products. If you have the right kind of product innovation, if you have the right kind of financial innovation, you can deliver better products to the rural. Only issue right now with India per se is that infrastructure to reach the people. But I am saying that you have multiple organizations like, as you said, the NGOs or these particular people who can cater to the various rural people, and there is mechanism to reach out to them. So if you can create a need with these particular people, as we are doing, I mean we are doing with Fullerton as an MFI, NGO like an IBDP, we are also working with SKS and we are working with tea plantations. If you can create that particular need and structure, I think you can do wonders. We have done with lights, we are doing with water purifiers, we are doing with stoves, so anyone can bring in very good products into this particular sector.
So I think because we are, I want to keep maybe 15 minutes for question and answer, so last possibly 2 questions. So maybe for all of us, you have been social entrepreneur, understand the space. What is the opportunity actually? Because most of us never looked at it as an entrepreneurial opportunity. Okay, we have this. A lot of us actually help poor people, but we never looked at them as a customer. Now you looked at them as a customer. So where is the opportunity?
See, there is an opportunity. I mean, there is definitely an opportunity in specifically in this particular space. I mean, you look at India specifically, you have 230, 240 million or 200, anywhere in that particular region, households in India, out of which 150 million households are using biomass cook stoves. So I see there is a huge potential. There is a simple analogy like a guy going to Africa and saying that from a shoe company saying that there is no market for this particular shoes in Africa because nobody wears shoes. Whereas if you look at the other point, he's saying that there is a lot of business in Africa, nobody is wearing shoes. So that is how you look at in this particular market. 150 million households in this space are using biomass cook stoves. Similarly, there are a lot of needs which are not being fulfilled of these particular households. So it is a way how we connect with them. What is the channel you'll employ? What is the right product? Because there is no one recipe which will fit all in this particular space. You need to be flexible to have multiple solutions to these particular rural households. I see definitely a market there, and I see the potential of money there. I mean, in terms of if you have the right financial innovation, you can deliver to these particular things as well.